Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students of the prep stages, welcome. Today we are going to teach you how to make a poster. Our topic is scientific and technological progress or technology. So now we are going to teach you how to design a poster about technology. Dears, your task is divided into two parts. Part 1, you are going to write a paragraph, an introductory paragraph that must consist of from 40 to 60 words. This paragraph will be put before your poster. After finishing your paragraph, you are going to draw an interesting poster using both drawings and English words. Now let's start with the paragraph which you are going to write. This paragraph must answer some guiding questions. Such as what? Guiding question number 1. What is a poster? So you must search for the definition of a poster in a trusted online reference, such as www.moe.gov.eg. Actually, this reference is very trusted. Guiding question number 2. What are the components of a poster or the parts of a poster? So, you must look for these pieces of information in a different reliable resource, such as www.ekb.eg. So this is the Egyptian Knowledge Bank, and actually it is very trusted. We can add more guiding questions, such as what? What are the kinds of audience that can be addressed through a poster? Who can make a poster? What are the purposes of a poster? And so many other guiding questions. Now, dears, look at the photo in front of you carefully and tell me, what can you see? Actually, we can see three different posters. Two of them are related to technology. The first one, its title is Innovative Applications. Can you see it? The second one has the title Wearable Technology. And the third one is related to psychology a little bit. So we have open roads and we have dead end roads. So watch each poster carefully, because I'm going to ask you some questions about it later on. Dear students, before start making your poster, you must put in mind 3 things or 3 points. Number 1, your audience. Number 2, your message. And number 3, the design which you want to make. Now let's discuss them one by one. Regarding the audience, before making a poster, you must ask yourself, what kind of audience do you want to address? What type of audience is in your mind when you make this poster? What kind of audience is your target? And the most important thing is, what kind of emotion or feeling do you want to create inside your audience? In other words, do you want to create a negative feeling or a positive feeling inside your audience? Possible answers may be, I want my audience to be teenagers, old people, school students, university students, kids, women, and so on. So you can choose the kind of audience you want to address. As for your message, before designing your poster, also you must ask yourself, what is the message that you want to convey to your audience? What is the concept or the main idea around which your poster revolves? Or what is the main theme of your poster? Some possible answers are, My message is going to be about the importance of technology in our modern age, or about the results of the increase of population, or the effects of the environmental pollution, etc. Now, let's move to the design of your poster. Before making your poster, you must make some important decisions, such as what is the standard page size you are going to use? Are you going to use an A4 sheet or an A3 sheet? Number 2, what colors are you going to use? And are you going to mix colors, match colors, or contrast colors? And every use has its effect, actually, has its emotional effect. Number 3, what kinds of fonts or types of handwriting are you going to use? And please do not use more than 3 different fonts. Number 4, are you going to use signs, icons, pictures, lines, borders, drawings, color filters, images, or what in your design? And finally, what kind of technique are you going to use? Are you going to use a shocking technique suitable for the current trends in society these days? Actually, you must be very modern in your choice. Now, dear student, it's time to have a look at the structure of your poster. Actually, any poster consists of 4 main areas: the header area, the main area, the footer area, and the background area. The header area must contain your title or your headline. The main area must contain the details of your topic. The footer area must contain a hashtag or a call to action. And the background area must have a solid filter color. As to the header area, in the header area you are going to write the title of your poster. The title has another name. We call it the headline. So you must write the title or the headline. Your title should be A. Clearly visible regarding the size of the font, the shape of the font, the color of the font, and the distance between letters. So it must be clearly visible. B. Significant. You must have a significant title, an important title. Also, your title must not be too long. It must be short, concise, to the point. Also, your title must be correctly spelled and punctuated. Take care of your punctuation, especially the capitalization of letters. Example, educational technology tools. Educational technology tools. In the main area, you are going to write the details of your poster. These details must answer 4 questions. 4 WH questions: when, where, why, and how. For example, you can write the number 2020 anywhere in your poster. This is when. You can draw any symbol of Egypt anywhere in your poster, the pyramids and the Sphinx, for example. Why? So illustrate your opinion. Are you for or against the message or the theme? And how? Provide details. Number 2, your main area must be half the size of the headline or the title. So if you write the title using a font 80, so you must change the font size here to be 40, half the 80. And finally, you must include drawings, images, icons, and so on in your main area. Now let's move to the footer area. In the footer area, you are going to write a hashtag ending with an exclamation mark, such as find out more or visit our website. Number 2, a call to action. a call to action. So ask your audience to take an action, such as we are hiring, we are selling. Are you going to hire? Are you going to join us? Finally, we have the background area. In the background, you should use a solid color filter. So choose a suitable color. You must use texts, but these texts must be sweet and short. Also, you must use creative pictures with icons. You can use borders, lines, signs, and so many other things. Now, dears, here is a poster in front of you. Let's discuss it together. In the header area, we have the title. The title is Before You. Before You. I think this title is related to choices. Choices in front of us. The second area is the main area. It has drawings, icons, and words. So we have WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and many other words. And in the footer area, we have a call to action questions. A call to action questions. Is it true? Is it helpful? Is it kind? And what do we find in the background? In the background, we have two contrasted colors. White is contrasted to blue. So I think that the designer of this poster is against the excessive use of technology. So here we have a header area, main area, footer area, and a background. So the audience is technology users. The theme is, what is the theme? Can you guess? It is the disadvantages of technology in our life. Okay? Now this is the end of today's video. We are going to continue tomorrow, inshallah.